I'm talking about guys today about poverty. Poverty. There are some people they live in this universe in this society. These are poor person. They can't imagine in their self and they think about their self. How can we eat food every single day? There are so many ideas. They think about their daily routine over and over again. Means those are facing any such type of problem, and it maybe it's depend on money. How can we define, how can we earn? So this is the main reason in our society members in this community we are living, and we live each other. We can express our thought with them, and they do hard work every single day. And there are so many regions, and government has not provided any implementation every single day, and they are giving their effort in day by day, step to step. It's their stress, it has become habitual, and they would like to apply in their routine and every single day. So this is the main reason, this is the main specific ideas. They will have to enhance, they will have to do this type of work, just like hard work. And all person, we don't know, it's depend our karma. We do our karma in our initial day. Maybe we are here, and some people they belong to rich, they don't do hard work. But according to me, and I'm sharing with you, I'm going to start with you, I'm going to share with you. So you heard me right, guys. If we are we should be optimistic, we should not be pessimistic all the time. We must realize after some time, after few days, just like we have spent our time with day, we see day, and after few minutes, after few days, we see night. So this is the method. For in this era, all god gives us this chance. We are living here with continuously, with thoroughly, and we have so many weapon, because we have everything, whatever and whenever. Just like we have hand, and we do each and every step, every hard work. If we are ready for do something, we depend only our karma, our hard work. Hard work you just after some time some results. So this is the main source of boost our all things, our whole life. We are doing something every single day. Any new knowledge we are gain from here and there in this community, all family members. And ultimately we are moreover we are observed from here and there, from we are living in our family members. So we will have to realize all these things. So this is the matter, and we can create for our friends, we can share our thought. So it will be beneficial for us. And it's a matter, it's a time to time we will have to realize all these things, because we are ready for face any circumstances, any situation. So if it's depend person to person, how can we define our life, our whole goal? There are so many objects, there are so many chance we spend, and we know each and every step about ourselves. And poverty, it is a curse, it is a boon, for it has been given by the god. By has not by god knows each and every step, each and every karma. So it's depend only ourself, our humanity, our honesty, our loyalty. If we how we can each and every step, how can we define, how can we observe each and everything, each and every step, uh, by time to time, and we are here, we are start for doing any different something in our life. So this is the way of growing. Day by day we will be growing together, and we develop each other, we growing, we know how can we define, and how we see this direction, that direction. It maybe depends for time to time. In this era and in this chapter, we have learned so many things. We can learn from here and there. If you do criticism others, most of the time you don't know about our karma, about our work, what we are doing. We, there is no any destination, there is no any goal, but we do this type with thoroughly, and moreover we do each and every step. We know we will face some problems, and this is the spiritual thought. It's, if we are devotional person, and we know we will be recognized after few minutes, after few time. So it will be possible each and every step, where you can learn from so many things. So it's, we are human being, we can realize time to time and era to era. So it has been given by the people in this society members. We can learn from them, and we growing together. We have reached there. It's our, there is any specific goal, and if we think only positive way, and we are busy most of the time. So it's depend of our time, of our goal, of our object. So based on this type of era, this type of environment, we are ready for challenge, new something, and we have some more expectation day by day. It's depend only upon you, not only upon you, but also we will have to think only our mindset, our goal, our wisdom. We are ready for face any challenge and any time. So this is the depend only upon ourselves, upon in this community members, all society members. In this society members, there is going on any born any curse we live here. There is going on Kali Yuga, and we will have to understand all these things. It's depend only us. If we would like to grow together, it takes time, and it needs to patience and positions. We will be reached. It's depend only our karma, our good karma, bad karma. If we are able to understand all these things, so it will be happen after some time. We will be become good person in our life. We have humanity, we have ability, and we have all these things. So if don't forget like, share, and subscribe my channel, guys.